physiotherapy helps with TMJ disorders. Experiencing jaw pain, clicking or headache, you might have TMJ dysfunction. I am Josephine Vishal, and today I'll show you how physiotherapy can help relieve TMJ pain naturally. TMJ is the joint that allows you to chew, speak, and move your jaw. When it's tight, inflamed, or misaligned, you may feel clicking or locking of the jaw, pain in the face, ears, or neck, headaches, and difficulty with chewing. Here's a simple jaw relaxation technique. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth, slowly open and close your mouth, keeping your jaw relaxed. Repeat 10 times, twice daily. You don't have to live with jaw pain. Book a physiotherapy session today and let's get your TMJ back in balance.